Can Africa become a united Africa? Ibrahim Traoré envisions a united Africa, and his secret strategy lies in mobilizing the African people. He believes that no one can defeat a united populace and that exploitation becomes impossible when the masses stand against the exploiters. However, the crux lies in Traoré's approach to mobilize the masses. Will Africans unite to defend and safeguard their continent? These pivotal queries embody Traoré's vision for a unified Africa. Join us in uncovering the answers to President Traoré's viral speech on West's next plan causes high alert in Africa. For more insightful content on African perspectives, subscribe to the African Web channel and click on the notification bell icon. Ibrahim Traoré commands the stage with a presence that captivates the room, drawing particular interest from those in the West. His impassioned address emphasizes the urgent need for national unity and resilience, resonating deeply with his audience. Traoré urges citizens to overcome challenges together, highlighting the risks of manipulation and distorted interpretations of events. His message is clear: without African unity, exploitation of the continent's resources and potential will persist unabated. Traoré asserts the formidable power of solidarity and collective action, envisioning a unified Africa that stands resilient against internal discord and external pressures. Beyond rhetoric, Traoré's vision embodies a profound belief in Africa's strength through unity. He calls for bonds that transcend individual and regional differences, promoting shared purpose and resilience. Traoré advocates for a continent where unity is not just an aspiration, but a practical necessity, countering manipulation with a clear-eyed perspective on events. He empowers Africans to seize control of their narrative, fostering collective strength and resilience as they navigate towards sovereignty and prosperity. Traoré's vision challenges historical divisions, presenting a path to harness Africa's vast potential on the global stage. In Traoré's view, a united Africa signifies more than political and geographical consolidation. It represents a call to empower and determine Africa's future. His vision redefines old perceptions and divisions, offering a blueprint for progress rooted in Africa's resilient history. From independence struggles to modern challenges, Traoré invokes unity as central to Africa's journey, inspiring a shared identity founded on strength and resilience. His message stands as a beacon of hope, urging individuals to unite beyond differences and embrace a collective destiny of empowerment and self-determination. Traoré envisions a united Africa operating like a well-oiled machine, whether as a federation with central oversight or a confederation preserving national sovereignty. Central to his vision is Africa's economic potential, leveraging a billion-strong consumer base and vast resources to form a robust economic bloc. Enhanced intra-African trade would bolster economic resilience, regional industries, and job growth. His vision includes modern infrastructure projects knitting the continent together, boosting connectivity via cross-border highways, railways, and digital networks. These efforts not only spur economic activity, but also bridge urban-rural gaps in healthcare and education access. Traoré foresees Africans free traveling, trading, and exchanging ideas, fostering unity amid diverse cultures. Celebrating Africa's cultural diversity, Traoré promotes mutual understanding and respect to strengthen social cohesion. Cultural events and educational exchanges would highlight commonalities, forging a more inclusive society under a unified African identity. Traoré views unity as a path to peace and stability, aiming to dissolve colonial-era borders that have fueled conflict. A united Africa could reconcile historical grievances and reduce border disputes through cooperation, presenting a unified stance in global diplomacy. Beyond unity, Traoré's message emphasizes the imperative to fight for freedom. He starkly contrasts the choices facing Africa: fight for liberation or endure perpetual mental and physical subjugation. Traoré asserts that true freedom begins with mental liberation, challenging Africans to reclaim their sovereignty of thought. This entails dismantling centuries-old narratives of inferiority imposed by external powers and fostering pride in African heritage and potential. Traoré advocates for educational reforms that celebrate Africa's history and contributions, aiming to empower future leaders with a strong sense of identity and purpose. His vision seeks to cultivate a mentally liberated generation capable of steering Africa towards a prosperous future. Traoré's vision for Africa extends beyond rhetoric. He calls for resistance against neocolonial influences such as economic dependency and cultural domination. Emphasizing self-reliance and unity, he sees collective action as pivotal in overcoming both mental and physical oppression. Drawing from Africa's rich history of liberation struggles, Traoré invokes the courage of past leaders to inspire renewed dedication to the ongoing quest for true freedom. He issues stark warnings about adversaries' tactics, urging vigilance against manipulation through media and misinformation. Traoré stresses the importance of scrutinizing information rigorously, challenging divisive narratives, and promoting transparency to safeguard Africa's sovereignty against external interference. Moreover, he advocates for prioritizing education, healthcare, and skills development as essential investments in Africa's human capital, envisioning a future where every African can contribute meaningfully to the continent's prosperity and resilience. In his vision for a unified Africa, Traoré also emphasizes environmental sustainability as fundamental to development. He underscores the need to conserve Africa's natural resources and biodiversity for future generations. Through the adoption of sustainable practices and policies, Traoré contends that Africa can achieve economic advancement while preserving its environment. Moreover, Traoré views technology as a pivotal catalyst for Africa's transformation. He advocates for investments in digital infrastructure, innovation hubs, and technological education to bridge the digital divide and empower African societies. By leveraging digital technologies, Traoré envisions a continent where innovation drives economic growth, enhances governance, and elevates the quality of life for all Africans. Ibrahim Traoré's vision for a unified Africa is comprehensive and ambitious. It encompasses political unity, economic integration, cultural diversity, mental liberation, environmental sustainability, technological advancement, and social empowerment. Grounded in a profound belief in Africa's potential and resilience, his call for unity encourages Africans to overcome historical divisions and collaborate towards a shared future. Traoré's message not only addresses current challenges, but also resonates deeply with the aspirations of generations of Africans who have long dreamed of a united continent imbued with strength and purpose. By instilling hope and mobilizing action, Traoré continues to shape the discourse on Africa's journey towards prosperity and self-determination. How can we ensure that Traoré's vision becomes a reality? What steps can each of us take to contribute to Africa's unity and progress? Reflect on these questions and join the conversation by liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. Subscribe to the African Web channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with insightful discussions on Africa's future. Together, let's build a continent where unity and resilience pave the way for a prosperous tomorrow.